In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Microsoft Designer. If you're working on a multi-page design and need to remove one page without disturbing the rest, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it cleanly and confidently. Start by opening your design or project in Microsoft Designer. Once it loads, look for the page navigation area. In most layouts, you'll see a strip of page thumbnails, often labeled as Page 1, Page 2, and so on. This strip can appear at the bottom of the screen or along the side, depending on your window size and the version you're using. Click the thumbnail of the page you want to remove to make sure it's selected. You should see its contents appear on the main canvas, which is a helpful way to confirm you've got the right page. Take a second to glance at the thumbnail preview and the canvas so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. With the page selected, move to the three-dot menu located near that thumbnail. Click the three dots to open the context menu, then choose Delete Page. As soon as you confirm, Microsoft Designer removes that specific page from your project, leaving the rest of your pages intact and in order. If you deleted the wrong page by mistake, don't worry. Immediately use Undo to bring it back. You can press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac, or tap the Undo button if it's visible in your toolbar. This is easiest to do right away before making more changes, so the action is still in your undo history. Keep in mind that small interface details can vary. The Designer web app and other versions may position page controls differently or use slightly different labels. The core idea is always the same. Select the page thumbnail you want, open a menu tied to that thumbnail, and choose the Delete option. If you don't see the page controls where you expect, scan for any row or column of thumbnails. Look for a three-dot icon on or near the Page tab, or try right-clicking the thumbnail to open a context menu. In some layouts, you might see a trash can icon directly on the thumbnail, which performs the same delete action. That's all there is to it. Select the page, open the menu, delete, and use Undo if needed. With this approach, you'll keep your project tidy and focused on exactly the pages you want to share.